What's up guys, Daredevil Games here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mini rubber jet ski. So, you are going to need one of these pieces, one of these, two of these pieces, 4x1, one of these kind of controlling pieces, one of these pieces, once again, it's optional, so it doesn't really matter what color it is, one of these things to attach, one of these grinding pieces, and one of these. So let's get into it, yeah. Okay, first things first, we're gonna want one of these. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this, not at the front, but one away from the front. So it's gonna be like this, and I'll show you why in a second. So now we're gonna want one of these to attach on, like so, and if that's hard, sorry, it is a bit annoying. Like that. And then you're going to want to get this piece on like so. If you want to pause the video to catch up, just pause it. It's a bit annoying to get it in the middle. There we go. Like so. And you're probably asking, Daredevil Games, how are you supposed to fit a minifigure on this? So this is where this bit comes in handy. You're going to want to put it like that down. And then you're going to get these two pieces to connect it. Doesn't really matter what color once again. You've got to get it on like so. Alright, now the end result should look like this. So you got these two black pieces connecting half red, half grey. Alright, so now we want to add this piece on. So it's the gears, so you know how to tort it. And you want to put it, well, I must put it upside down, like so. Now the final bit is this. So now you may know. Goes like that. You don't have to add this, you can just change it around. But if you want more of this kind of mini builds, tell me. Hit the subscribe button and like button if you want to. Drop a comment on what I should do next. And if there's no comment, it's alright. I'll just start making my own random things unless you want something else. But until next time, peace out.